What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here from richardhairston.com. In this video, I'm going to be talking about GetResponse free forever, how you can get unlimited emails sent, and how you can start growing your business online today. Now, I have been using GetResponse for a while now because I was using another system that had a built-in autoresponder. But what I discovered about those systems with built-in autoresponders is that some people come in and mess up those systems, and once their IP get messed up with Google, Bing, and other top email providers, that just totally puts everybody in jeopardy and everybody emails go to spam. So I had to get me a GetResponse account to attach to that particular system, but then turns out that the system was not picking up the list that I have inside of GetResponse. So I contacted GetResponse. They said the issue was on the end of the funnel building system that I was using. So I made a totally different 180-degree turn in my business from that funnel system to actually just using GetResponse and another funnel builder that I'm using. But actually what I want to show you in this video is how you can get GetResponse free forever. And I'm going to show you what you can get. And there's a link in the description below this video if you want to get it free and get signed up now. I don't know how long they're going to do this. It said free forever, so I'm just going to assume that it's free forever. So when you click the link in the description, you're going to come to this page right here, but then you're going to come up here to the top and click on the Start Now. Okay. When you click on the Start Now button, it's going to take you right here, but I just want to show you what you're going to get when you click on the Learn More button. Okay, when you click on that button, it's going to show you that GetResponse free. Okay, get your business online with the suite of free marketing software. Build your website, start generating leads, and send unlimited newsletters for free. Now, I have the paid version of GetResponse, and this was not available when I got it. So now it's your opportunity to get in without spending any money, so you can start getting your business online, whatever it is that you're doing. And I want you to understand something. There's really only two tools that you need in order to have an online presence, and one I believe is a funnel builder, and you're going to need a way to collect leads, and that is an autoresponder. And GetResponse is a great autoresponder. Now, there are plenty of them out there. You can choose whichever one you want to choose. That's up to you. But I recommend GetResponse because it's very user friendly, and I have gotten to know the system. And if you need any help, you can contact me, and I'll be glad to hop on a Zoom meeting with you or whatever the case may be, and walk you through the process of getting your email set up, getting your list built, setting up a little automation. I don't know a lot about automation, but I do know some that can get you going in the right direction. But anyway, let's get back to this. So you get GetResponse for free. I just read you that, and you can read over this page here. I'm not going to go into deep details, but just to kind of give you an idea of what it is that you get. Okay, free forever software to get your business online. And you can pause this video and read this right here. Okay, I may read some of it, but meet GetResponse free. Okay, a suite of free marketing software designed to get your business online and fuel it with a stream of new leads at absolutely no cost to you. Okay, so in other words, you're going to be able to get this system. You don't have to worry about a 30-day free trial. You're going to get it free forever. Okay, but now there are some limits to it, so I'm not going to sit and tell you it's going to be free forever. You're going to get 10,000 leads in there, and you're not going to have to pay. That is not the case. It doesn't work that way. And now, let's be honest with you, AWeber did this a while back. Okay, now GetResponse is doing it, and so, which I think is kind of cool. You want to keep up with the times, you want to keep up with what your competitors are doing, so GetResponse is doing just that. So okay, so we're going to see what's included with the GetResponse free. I had to work on my button. What's included with GetResponse free? Okay, you get a free website builder. Every business starts with a website. Okay, build your website using a code-free AI-powered website builder with a pre-designed template. Start promoting your business online. Build and host one website with 5 gigabytes bandwidth. Connect your own domain or choose a free one. Okay. SEO optimization, ensure maximum security, SSL certificates, and you can learn more about it by clicking this link right here. Okay. Free lead generation software. Fuel your business with leads. Kick off your lead generation activity using available free tools. Get the boost you need to elevate your business everywhere. Build and host one landing page. Okay. Use sign up and contact form to get new leads. Get space up to 500 contacts. Now, here's the thing. I believe that when you get over 500 contacts, that's when you're going to have to pick up actual paid plan. Okay. But if you're just starting out and you don't have any leads at all, then this is for you. And you can get started right now, and you can click this link right here and find out more about the free accounts. Okay. And I'm going to come back and click those as well. Free email marketing tools. Engage your leads with unlimited email marketing. Send one-time email broadcasts with updates and special offers to establish a strong relationship with your contacts. Enjoy 99% proven deliverability. Send unlimited emails to your contact. Use the drag and drop creator to build emails. Explore rich library pre-designed email templates you can learn more about here. Okay, so for the first 30 days, you can try the premium features at no cost. In other words, you have access to everything at no cost for 30 days. Okay, after that, then you're going to be limited. So I just want to keep that real with you, just in case you think you're going to keep going on and on. It's not going to happen. Okay, they're doing this for a reason, and Aweber does it as well. There are certain things you can't do in Aweber. After, long as you have the 500 free leads plan with them, okay, or the free membership with them, there are certain things you can't do, and it's limited. So, but you're going to get access for the first 30 days to try the premium free features at no cost, okay. And so this is all what you get down through here. Click this button right here to click your free account. There's a link in the description for you to get started. So let's just go back up for a minute. And let's just look at some of this, what you're going to get. Okay, so the free website builder, let's click on that. With the free website builder, okay, you can create a unique online presence with the AI-driven code. Free website builder. You can just check out all this information. Why the website builder tool. Building a website never been easier. They walk you step by step. And they have tutorials on how you can do that as well. Okay, so you get access to this. So let's go back, and I'm going to open up a new tab on the next one. Fuel your business with new leads. If we click on here, okay, let's just simply get started with the free account and learn more about free email marketing. Open up a new tab there. Okay, the free email marketing, get more open clicks and sales. Powerful email marketing software with professional email templates, easy design tools, and proven deliverability. Start for free. Okay, as I said, there's a link in the description, and this is what you're going to get with all of that right there. So I just wanted to shoot this quick video and tell you right now that GetResponse is free. I have been using it for a while. I'm building my list, and I want you to know this and understand this as I'm saying this to you. If you're not building an email list, you really don't have a business online, okay? Facebook goes down. It went down, okay? Instagram goes down. WhatsApp or whatever it is you use, even if YouTube goes down and you're not getting people off of that platform onto your email list, then your business is you're going out of business. It's non-existent. So building an email list is important. So just want to take you inside of the back office for a minute. This is my GetResponse account. You can have your list. You got reports. You got draft. You can create. Okay. They have tutorials, manage your account, billing. They even have an affiliate program so you can get other people. And that's an extra way for you to earn some income. Okay. I'm currently on the Plus plan, as you can see right there. Over here is where you're going to have email marketing. That's where you're going to send out email broadcasts. This is where you set up your autoresponders, automation webinar. You can even do chats in here, conversion funnels, landing pages, forms and surveys, paid ads, website builder, all of that, store products, integration with API, mobile app, files and images. So you can upload images to put inside of your website that you build, your landing pages or funnels that you build, even send them out in your email. So you get all of that in here as well. So I highly recommend that you click the link in the description below. Get started with GetResponse now. I mean, it's free. So what better way to get started if you're just not starting an online business where you don't have to come out of pocket with any money to get your business going? Go ahead on and get signed up for free by clicking the link in the description. And also in the description, there's going to be a link to the funnel builder that I'm using. Okay, so you can get started with it for only $25 and build unlimited funnels connected with your GetResponse account. Now you have the two tools. You will have the two tools that you need in order to be successful online. Also in the link below, you're going to find a link to my free guide, the 30-minute workday guide. Click on that, download that guide also, and read through it because it's going to teach you how to build your email list. It's going to teach you how to build a successful affiliate marketing business. So go ahead on, click the link in the description, GetResponse. Click the link down there below also and get the funnel builder and download the 30-minute workday book. It's worth the read. If you read that book, if you apply what is taught in that book, you will not have to buy in another affiliate training ever. I can promise you that. This is working for me and it's working for hundreds of others, and it will work for you too if you apply it and if you're serious about your business. So go ahead, click the link in the description below. Go ahead and get your free account with GetResponse right now. I look forward to working with you. If you have any questions or need any help, my contact information is below as well. I'm going to do whatever I can to help support you and get you going in the right direction. Even if you just get response and don't get anything else, I'm going to help you. I want to help you be successful. That way I'm successful. And I just believe in helping others get where they want to be in life. So that's what I want to do with you. If you want to do that, go ahead, click the link in the description, get started. I look forward to seeing you in GetResponse in the funnel builder and download the free ebook. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.